You're going down. Do you want the balls too? I don't know. What do you want? I'll hold the balls. Okay, you'll hold the balls. Yeah.
Yeah, Tiff! Yeah, Tiff!
Go!
Yeah, Tiff, go, Tiff! Yeah!
All right, can I get another number? 16. Good number. Good number. Good number. Okay. Can I get Tiffany and Jessy and Cody and myself up here? There's a ball back. Oh no. A box of ping pong balls. Oh no. Okay.
Is this the...
Yeah, this is the challenge called Wheelbarrow Race While Juggling.
Oh, that one.
What does that mean? It means we have to go from this side of the stage to that side of the stage, doing a wheelbarrow race, and also we have to be juggling while we do it.
Yeah.
Have some balls.
Hand me your legs.
You're going down. Do you want the balls too? I don't know. What do you want? I'll hold the balls. Okay, you'll hold the balls. Yeah. Okay.